Okay, it is your boy, Guy with Glasses, here with a tutorial on how to erase keyboard memory if you're a dumbass. So the first thing you're going to want to do, option 1, you go to Google. Everybody has Google, unless
Google.
you're an idiot and you have Safari and you actively use Safari.
Safari still uses Google.
Ha! Ha! Okay, so you go to Google, you type in Heim, right? That's the word you're trying to get rid of. You want to type in Heim. Down here, there's going to be suggested words. You tap and hold on one of the suggested words. Oh, look, Heims will be deleted from your learned words.
Remove.
That is the easiest way to do
remove, and you hit OK.
Yeah, and then it removes it. It says removed. And then it doesn't know that Heims exists anymore.
It's like magic.
Second option, if that doesn't work out for you, if you have like 1.5 brain cells working inside your head, you can go to your settings. I use a good old-fashioned Droid, so my menu's probably going to look a bit different from yours. But you're going to want to go to General Management if you have it. If you don't, just try and look up Language and Input in your settings menu. And then you'll see something kind of like this. You want to scroll down until you find the on-screen keyboard setting. And then it'll show you a list of all of the keyboards you have on your device. You're going to want to tap your main one. For me, that is the Samsung keyboard. And then you can tap on the keyboard. Okay, hold on. Let me read this. You have language and types. All right, and that brings you to this menu. It just shows you your language. You can manage your input languages. And then you can add different languages. This is just in case you want Chinese on there like I did.
I need Chinese on mine.
You need Chinese on yours?
I do. I'm going to add Chinese right now.
Alright, you tap on Smart Typing, and it gives you a wide list of options right here. All the different stuff that the Smart Typing does. The way it remembers words, the way it suggests them when you start typing a word, auto-spacing, auto-punctuation, auto-capitalization. You can turn any of that off from this menu. And then you've also got keyboard swipe controls, which, I mean, nobody really cares about that, but that is the trial and error method. You just go through these and see which one works for you. But it's just a lot easier to go into Google and type a word and then delete that word